everybody, this is a quick video. I'm showing you guys how I make tea. That was mullein. I took some out the package. You just crush it up in your hand. That just makes it, you know, ready for use. So I just taking my time and I'm crushing everything up, making it finer. That was mullein leaf. This is the lemongrass that I'm using. I'm gonna put some in there. I'm just decided to just make a blend with 3 herbs. So I'm taking some of the lemongrass out. I'm just doing it by eye right now, but I put about a tablespoon of the mullein leaf, a tablespoon of the lemongrass, and I'm just crushing that up a little bit. And now I'm going to use the star of the show, which is the nettle leaf, high in iron. Very good for you. A couple of people have put me on to nettle. This is going to be my first time ever having it and consuming it in my tea. I put about, I think that was maybe about a tablespoon and a half of a teaspoon, and I'm just mixing it all together. The nettle leaf is pretty fine already, so I didn't have to really crush that up. I decided to put just a little bit more, so that's going to make it a tablespoon and like a teaspoon. So I mixed it all up, make sure it's all together. I was really excited about trying it since I got all my herbs today. Okay, so now this is the teapot I use for all my teas, because I use loose teas. That's what the tea goes in. It has little holes in it, so that way the herbs infuse. It's called an infused teapot. So right now, all of the tea that I crushed up, I'm putting it in. All of the herbs that I crushed up, I'm putting it in the infuser. That's where all of the loose herbs go in. So I'm just making sure I get everything. And after I put everything in, all the herbs, I put it back in the teapot. Wiping off the surface. So I'm putting in some water, bottled water, spring water, of course. So now I'm just pouring the water over the herbs that I put in there. You could put as much water or as little water as you want. I put almost the whole bottle in, because I plan on having a nice, reasonable size of tea. That's the key lime. I put key lime in my tea. That's the teacup I'm going to use. The key lime, I'm just going to squeeze the key lime. It's a half a key lime in the cup. Being sure to get every drop I can. Making sure I take all of the pulp. And also putting that in. And I do like my tea with agave. But I have the teapot on a medium low setting, not too high, because I don't want it to boil. I want it to get hot, as hot as it can, but I don't want it to burn. So that's after about 20 minutes. So now I'm putting in the tea. Mind you, I didn't boil it, because then you boil all of the nutrients out. So like I said, I like agave. So now I'm going to put some agave. Agave is a natural sweetener that I'm putting in the tea to give it a little sweetness. I put about two teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of tea. Of agave. Okay. I gave it a little taste. Let me sip it again. Tell you what I think. The flavor. Alright, as you saw, I put a half of a key lime in. I always flavor my tea with key lime and lemon, or just key lime, or just lemon with ginger and agave. But being that this is my first time having any of these three together, I wanted to not add any ginger, because sometimes ginger can be overpowering. So I just wanted to try it like this, so I can get the flavor and tell you what I think about the authentic flavor of it. Still a little hot. Not bad. Not bad. How can I explain it? I taste the lemon balm, because I've had lemon balm in tea before. So I know what that taste is like. So that's standing out to me. And mullein, from what I understand, doesn't really have a taste. But the nettle, it's not bitter. It's not a bad taste. It's an earthy type of taste. There's really no other way to describe it. But if you had lemon balm, lemongrass tea before, then you would know what I'm talking about when it comes to that. But this tea is very plain for me. Like I said, I usually put ginger in it. So I probably will add a couple of slices of ginger in it to give it a little bit of spice. And I'm not even going to add any more agave, because I usually like my tea kind of sweet. But I'm trying to cut back, even though agave is, not anything compared to white sugar, but it's still a sweetener. So you could omit that. I know some people don't put that in their tea. To each his own. I like it in mine. I like it. But I am going to add some ginger to this. Okay. There you have it. I'm on my new herbal herb adventure journey, whatever you want to call it. I want y'all to come with me. It's like a refreshing type of taste. Like, I wish y'all could have some of this with me right now. And it's good to drink tea hot. Like, I like my tea hot, just like I like my coffee hot. I don't like it lukewarm. I don't like it cold. I like it hot. This actually, as I'm sipping it, I'm thinking about, this might taste good cold too. Yeah. It might taste good cold too. In the summer, if you don't want to drink hot beverages in the summer, it don't bother me. But you know, sometimes I do like iced teas and stuff like that. So it would taste good. I would take it cold. I would take it cold. All right, y'all. I'm gonna sit back, kick my feet up, and I'm gonna enjoy my nice cup of tea. And I'm gonna catch up back up with y'all later. All right? Peace.